Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a bit of time since I last did a unboxing. This is an item that was sent by Tim Trent of Snake Radio Customs in Arizona. And for those of you who follow Tim on his live feeds on a daily basis, you would probably already know what this item is. But for those of you who don't, this is the official unboxing. Tim sent this to me. A gift. I just had to pay for the postage. Unfortunately, the postal rates are pretty high. So, but anyway, I certainly still do appreciate this item. Now let's have an official unboxing here. I don't know how I'm going to get into this, but I think I found a way. And I apologize for the bad angle if it is. Here we go. And it took a little bit of time to come. I think the reason why is because here in Newfoundland, the ferry system seems to be backed up a bit. And I guess the mail that's coming across is not priority. So it took a few days, a bit longer than normal. I keep hitting the camera, my apologies. Close quarters here. As I said, this is from Tim Trent, and I'll give you a hint now. It's something to complement my Cobra 2000, Snake Radio Customs Cobra 2000 radio. So here we are, piece of foam, and I think we're in. And here it is. And there it is. And as you can see, a brand new cord, 5-pin for the Cobra. And it is a Shure mic, but it is a modified mic by Tim. It actually has two CR2032 batteries in the back here, which I may have to adjust. He has some pads put on here. But anyway, it is a mic with a preamp built into it, and it should complement the Cobra 2000 quite well. Tim has a number of these that he's purchased. The Shure Brothers Incorporated dynamic microphone model 550L. And he takes these mics, cleans them up, of course, does the whole 9 yards right through all the points and stuff like that, and adds a battery compartment and preamp, and makes this a very decent, probably, well, I guess I should say awesome mic. He also changes this cartridge and puts some foam in there. So the next video, if I get a chance, will be hopefully using the mic and getting some radio reports. Today, the radio conditions aren't the greatest. And I haven't been on talking, but I know for now I'm going to go into here, and we're going to see what we have. There's two batteries in here. The CR2032 batteries are 3-volt batteries, and the way they are set up in this microphone configuration through Tim's modification is they are still running on 3 amps. That's my understanding. So they're not in series. I think they would be in parallel. So there's, he told me to remove the bottom, and there's a little housing there that holds 2 coin batteries. Get into here. Okay, there's the plate. That's a nice heavy plate, right? Wicked. Now here is the 2 coin batteries, and he told me to unscrew it. Let's see if we can get into this. There we go. It might be a bit difficult to get this back on as well. Okay, so the 2 batteries were plus and plus. So now what I do is put it plus to minus, like this. You see negative side down there, positive up, and put the positive down here, because it only runs on 3 volts. Once that inside battery dies, you can flip it over and use the other battery as a dud, and the new battery as a power supply for the mic. And Tim tells me that this is going to last a long time. So, just try to get this threaded back on. I think we have it there. Not sure. Takes a little wiggling here, but I think we have it. Yep, it's sealed. So, I'm going to put the bottom back on. Just want to do a little unboxing and show you the inner workings here. Some ferrite coils here. Some down there. And the wiring. And here's your point system for contacts, your contacts I should say. And the new wire right in there. Looks like a 6-wire configuration. So anyway, if you want a mic like this for your Cobra 2000, 148 or similar Cobra radio, or a 5-pin or a 4-pin or whatever, I'm sure it'll work. And these mics, I'm told, will work awesome. They have a wonderful range of sound. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.